So let me get it together. Alright.
Come on, man.
I got it.
Get your shit. That's what you need to give you some energy, nigga?
No, I think I got it now.
Alright.
I think I got it.
Let's go.
Shawty, you're curious. High volume, high volume, high volume. Get serious. You say you're curious, oh no.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Q for Queen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, my loves. If you're new to my channel, why haven't you subscribed yet? I think you need to subscribe so you can see what be going on this channel. But welcome. So as you can see, we got a full spread of food, and this is, I believe, Haitian food.
It's a mix of Haitian and Indian food and just Caribbean food in general, I guess.
Okay. And as you can see, it's going to be a little mukbang, and I'm doing it with my better half. And basically, he's going to go down the list and name off what we have here. So, what do we have here?
First, we got this, this is a red fried red snapper. We got a macaroni au gratin. Please, I'm sorry, I'm not good at pronouncing these things. We got macaroni au gratin. We got black rice. We got chicken pipe with plantains.
And right here, we just got some rice. It look like got some carrots and raisins, I think. But if you guys know the name of this dish, just comment down below for us, because we tried to look for it on the menu and we couldn't find it. But it looks good. So we got it from our local spot called the Continental Spot. They're fairly new, so we just wanted to give it a try. And I like food, my husband likes food, so this should be interesting. This is all kind of relatively new though. Well, I had fried snapper, red snapper before, but this is a new dish, and I haven't had black rice in this type of form before, so.
Alright.
Ready?
It's time to ready to get into it, because I'm hungry.
Ooh.
And I had nothing to eat all day. So I'm gonna try it. Okay, that's pretty good.
It is? Okay. I'm nervous. All right, so in it, it looked like it has like cheese and some type of meat and some peppers. Oh, okay, it's like a pasta. It tastes like a pasta. This is black rice.
That's good.
Ooh.
That's really good.
I think this is my favorite.
Can't wait to get into you. I ain't saying this either.
Okay. I'm not gonna hold you. I've been staring at these for like a minute. They look crispy.
We're gonna pass the other rice toaster over here.
This is good. Okay. That's really good, y'all. You either marinated this chicken or rubbed it down. I should have definitely thought about some talking points.
Probably. But we here with it. In the middle of the video.
Mm-hmm. Let's talk about like goals and couple goals. Like goals as a couple. Tips on being married. I guess people dream of being married at a young age.
Let's introduce ourselves first. Right? I don't think nobody would know anything about us. It's not yet. So, how long have we been married? You know.
Well, it's more so just giving tips.
You ain't giving nobody tips on stuff. If you start talking about stuff and they don't know where we come from together. Like, for how long we been together, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not a normal thing. Not a lot of couples can say that they. Not a lot of people can say they would even be committed to anything for that long. Let alone a relationship, right?
Okay.
Right.
But I kind of already gave him like a little backstory
I don't know what you told them.
of how we met.
So do they know that already?
They don't know how long we've been together for.
Are we gonna tell them or are we gonna talk around the subject the whole video?
Impatient man. But as you guys know, if you were paying, not if you were paying attention, as you guys know, if you watched some of my previous videos, I talked about my husband. And a little secret, not even a little secret, but you guys kind of already know because kind of already told the story. We've been dating since high school. And that totals to around, last year actually made 10 years we've been together. So this year, I guess, marks as, February will mark it as 11. So.
Pancake. And some of the black rice you pocket. The macaroni is decent, but this is where it's at.
Let me have some of that rice.
It's pretty good. I don't know if I get used to raisins. Get my bone out the way, my little chicken bone.
I got bones all anyway. I don't know, the raisin thing be having me like.
But it's not bad, the little bit I did have.
The rice itself is good. It's like the yellow rice is like seasoned. And you got carrots. I'm trying some with the raisin. It's not bad with the raisin. I like it without the raisin.
Yeah, I can't get used to the raisins, but the rice is good. Food is good. Overall,
food is good. Like,
well, I think it's better if I rate everything individually.
okay.
Kind of skipped over the salad, right? That's gonna get eaten probably, but just not on camera.
You see where our focus is.
Focus is in the meal, right? 'Cause that's what we paid for.
Oh. Do you want to tell them the whopping total of everything? Probably when we get done eating. More so towards the end.
Mm-hmm. There's still a lot of meat on the other side, but it's all good.
I'm making a little mess. But
Eat them plantains, man. They're good for you.
so here's my thing with the plantains. They're not sweet enough for me.
It's good when you eat it with the rice and stuff. You eat it all together. Eat a little fish with the plantain.
Used to my plantains being sweet.
You like somebody sweet. It's not the like most bland plantains, and the salt help too. Put a little salt on it.
But I like the sweet plantain.
This food don't have to be as good. It's something different
They did a really good job.
from what we usually eat.
They did a really good job. The food is really good.
Mm-hmm. They said part. It's
Yeah.
like a 9.5 out of 10.
That rare snapper is crazy.
10 out of 10 got to be rare, but this is definitely at least 9.5. The rice itself is good. It's a little dry. I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10, just to be fair.
Okay. Oh, we rating. Okay.
The black rice, that is. This rice, I'm gonna give it a 6.5. Only because if I'm picking through it, it's hard to give it like a high score.
Okay.
But it's still good. Like if this is the only rice I had, I would pick some and raise out and just go nuts.
I don't feel that.
Plantains, I'm getting like a 7. 7 out of 10. They cook really well. Like they're really good. It's just they're a little bland. That's what I'm used to. Chicken, 9.5. It's juicy. It may look dry on camera, but it's not dry at all. Especially because it's dark meat.
Yeah. It's like a mix. It's like really good. I can't complain.
It's really perfect. Usually dark meat is greasy too.
And it was like they marinated the meat or something. Really, really good. Me.
Yeah, macaroni last.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna give it for what it's worth. Because it's not as good as like homemade mac and cheese. It do taste homemade, but it's just certain elements that throw me off. But it's good. Flavor is good. There's just a lot going on some mac and cheese for me. A lot less, but it did a lot more. But maybe that's just because that's what I'm used to. I'm gonna give it a 6.5. 6 points. Let me give it a 7.
Okay.
For what it's worth. Because it's not traditional mac and cheese, like. But it's traditional for somebody. Just not this guy.
Okay. The chicken. The chicken for me was a 9 out of 10. I give the chicken a 9 out of 10 because I feel like whatever they marinated it in or rubbed it down, it's so good. Like you said, it's not dry, it's juicy. It got a lot of flavor to it. Really good. round 10. The plantains, like I was saying a little bit earlier, I'm just used to my plantains being sweet. I really like sweet plantains. They're cooked well. It's just, I like sweet plantains. And the yellow rice, or this rice, I don't know. Like I said, leave a comment down below what it may be. It's good, but I don't eat raisins in my rice.
Yeah, that's what's kind of messing up for me too. But it's good though.
But I can eat around the raisins.
That's all you can do.
Mm-hmm. And moving along to the black rice, my favorite out of all the side dishes. It is on the little dry side, but it's really good. The fish, woo! The fish is excuse me. The fish is delicious, y'all.
It's really like the crowning piece.
Yes, that red snapper is on a whole nother level.
Oh,
It was It was super delicious. Like, kid you not. Very seasoned, very flavorful. Like, really good. Now, this is not, it's not bad. It's not nasty. It's good. It's just a lot going on with it. I thought it was like mac and cheese, but it's not mac and cheese.
No. It's just a whole other dish kind of entirely.
Mm-hmm. It's good, but it's probably not my favorite dish out of everything. But it's good.
I will say, I kind of like this better than that rice though.
Interesting.
Only because I could eat everything out of here. Tastes good.
You don't have to pick.
I gotta pick through it. I could just eat. But and it's flavored really well too. It's a lot of flavor in that mac and cheese. Like,
It is.
don't get me wrong.
It's like with
somebody
them,
really gonna love this. Like somebody really gonna appreciate this a little bit more than I do right now.
with them, like overall, the flavors is impeccable. I like. They put some seasoning on here, y'all. Not like salty, but like they know what they was doing with the seasonings.
Everything's seasoned well.
Mm-hmm.
To me.
Not overly seasoned, not under seasoned.
Yeah.
Look, look. But yeah, I think it was really, really good.
Yeah. I like everything.
I do too. I guess they overall rating for me would be I do like it. 8.5.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. I was literally gonna say that 8.5 out of 10.
A solid 8.5.
Everything's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Like, everything is really good. Like I'm critiquing it, but I'm just being picky.
Right.
Everything is good.
Like,
everything I ordered today was prepared well.
I'm pretty sure anybody who get this will not be disappointed. It's just, you just gotta know what you're eating and what you like. But
like some of these dishes are like Creole dishes.
mm-hmm.
And some is like Indian. It's like a mix of everything in one. And it's really good. The restaurant really got like its own thing going on, like entirely.
And that's really good.
And something different.
I'm proud.
And what you expect, especially in where it's located.
No, that. It's really good. Well, I'm not gonna keep y'all for too long, but thank you for watching this video, watching this review, this food. Once again, if you are in the area, I said definitely check them out. Like I said, the name of the business is
Continental Spot,
and they got a mixture of all types of Caribbean foods, like he just said. Indian, he said something else.
it's Indian,
Creole, all that in a mixture. So you get in different types of like ethnicities within these dishes. To me, the food was really good. It was very flavorful. Like I said, you just gotta be mindful of what you like and what you want to eat. And they didn't disappoint on none of the flavors, none of the seasonings. Everything came out super delicious. And would I be eating from them again? Yes. Yes, I would. They would definitely get another purchase from me, especially, you know what I'm saying? All right, this is your girl, Cupid Queen. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, because if you're not subscribed, how you going to catch up on all the goodness? And, yeah, that's the end of the video.
After hours.